Hey, you! Are you struggling to perform at your best in university? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 anatomy-based tips and tricks that will help you become an A+ student. Get ready to boost your performance and ace those exams. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1: prioritize sleep. Sleep is essential for optimal brain function and memory retention. Pulling all-nighters might seem like a good idea, but it actually impairs your cognitive abilities. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a consistent sleep schedule and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Trust me, a well-rested brain is a high-performing brain. Tip number 2: hydrate for success. Did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining peak brain performance? Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your brain cells hydrated, enhances focus, and improves cognitive function. So, grab your water bottle and make it your study buddy. Your brain will thank you. Tip number 3: mind your mental health. University can be overwhelming, and your mental well-being plays a significant role in your academic success. Take breaks, practice mindfulness techniques, and engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. Seek support from friends, family, or campus resources if you're feeling stressed. Remember, a healthy mind leads to better grades. Tip number 4: soak up some sun. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, is essential for brain health and mood regulation. Spending time outdoors and getting sunlight boosts your vitamin D levels, which can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Take short breaks outside, go for a walk, or study near a window. Your brain will appreciate the fresh air and natural light. And there you have it. 4 anatomy-based tips and tricks to help you become an A+ student in university. Remember to prioritize sleep, drink plenty of water, take care of your mental health, and get some sunlight. Incorporate these habits into your routine, and you'll be well on your way to academic success. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep striving for those A+ grades. Good luck!